Welcome to day one of CES, which means we're looking for the most ridiculous things that we can find. Is that a mouth muzzle? I gotta try this on first. The mute talk. I don't know if I'm ready to wear like a muzzle when playing video games, but I see the use case. I do see the use case. I do understand the pain point of not wanting to be super loud when you're gaming all night and say someone else is sleeping in your own house. First inclination would be to like soundproof my room, not wear an actual muzzle over my face. But it kind of works. So they also have this flip VR controller that allows you to like actually put a physical controller in your hand, but then store it on the side when you're not grabbing something. And who needs to soundproof your entire room when you have a personal entertainment capsule? What is this thing? I am inside the capsule. Oh my gosh, wait, it's actually so quiet. The Exio Pod, we're trying it out. All right, this is pretty ridiculous. Personal gaming pods. Kind of want one. VR arcades that move up and down as you're shooting. How much do you think it costs to get one of these like inside of your own house? They said it's $45,000, not including shipping. So if you really love that one game, oh my God. Is this a personal motorcycle helicopter? No way this is street legal, right? Let's check this thing out. Holy shit, can you imagine flying this thing in San Francisco? They say the future is not on the ground. They say it's in the sky. It has automatic takeoff and landing. Okay, good, because I don't know how to fly a helicopter. How much do you think this costs? I need to find out. How much does this one cost?
We don't sell them.
You don't sell them yet?
Because this is
Just like concepts? What do you think it would cost?
Maybe around.
50,000?
Yeah, yes, dollar.
Okay, 50,000. All right, thank you so much. He estimated it would cost $50,000, which means you could either buy a motorcycle quadcopter or an arcade machine. Same price. I do love that motto though. Why be normal? Great, great motto. Ever thought to yourself, man, I wish my karaoke machine was smarter? I got you. They now make karaoke all-in-one speaker machines with touchscreen displays. Ooh. Oh, what? Not gonna lie, I definitely thought this was like silly, but I'm kind of into it. I don't even like karaoke. You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it to you? Okay, I think I just found the most ridiculous thing here at CES 25. Check it out. They got a life-size robot of Austin Evans. And look how photorealistic it is. This is crazy. I think it's even touch activated.
I love the RTX 5090. I would love to buy some NVIDIA stock. AMD is wonderful.
This is uncanny, guys. CES is crazy. They have so much cool stuff. If you ever thought robots should be looking more like humans, Iblis has you covered. Technically, it uses like a 3D display to make VR headsets look more like human, much like the Apple Vision Pro, but bringing that technology to other headsets as well. Oh my God, if they added AI to a toaster, I'm about to flip out. Please tell me this is an AI-powered toaster. Are you with this company? No, okay. I couldn't find anyone to talk to. They were all like in the meeting or something. So let's just assume it was an AI-powered toaster and then we'll all sleep easy at night. AI your life. Yeah, no thanks. I'm good. Although I'm worried we might not have a choice in the near future. Is that too dystopian to think about? Yeah, okay. Let's lighten the mood. Like with the healthcare robot, I'm so confused. Excuse me, what is the healthcare robot?
This is you can get a massage.
All right, it turns out it's like a glorified massage chair that also checks your ECG. I don't know if I would necessarily call it a healthcare robot, more like a massage chair. I don't know. All right, now this one is super useful. You know how wireless chargers are getting more and more powerful? That also means they're getting hotter and hotter. So why not just add an active cooler inside of your wireless charger? Well, that's exactly what Aukey is doing here with their brand new Mag Fusion lineup. And Aukey is also sponsoring this CES video. This one, for example, is the Game Frost. In addition to having an active fan inside of it, it also has a built-in thermoelectric cooling chip, meaning that, yes, it takes advantage of the Peltier effect, essentially the movement of electrons between two semiconductive materials, allowing for one side to get super cold. And that cold side goes right against your phone. And then the fan on the other side blows hot air away. That's pretty cool, literally, because it allows the charger to stay 20 degrees Celsius cooler, which is nuts, and allows the charger to do things like charge your iPhone 16 from 0 to 50% in 35 minutes. If you thought that wasn't cool enough, well, you can also add a little bit of lighting, if you so please. And if all that's not a testament to good design, well, it actually won a CES award. Additionally, Aukey also has a 3-in-1 and a Dash Pro, meaning that the 3-in-1 can charge your phone, your watch, and your AirPods all at the same time, and the Dash Pro can, well, work inside of your car. All of these have the same active cooling, meaning that whether you're at home, in the office, or in your car, you can take advantage of that active cooling wireless charging. Big thank you to Aukey for sponsoring this CES breakdown. If you want to learn more about any of these chargers, I'll leave some info in the description down below. Ooh, this is actually pretty interesting. Guys, I'm gonna make a bold claim. I think digital calendars that can go on your wall are going to be huge in the next few years. I bought one to use personally like a year and a half ago. I use it every single day. I think it's great. My parents had printout calendars that they put on their like refrigerator to write physical stuff down. I use a lot more digital stuff. So the fact that I can import my like Google Calendar and have it displayed in my kitchen, I love, and I can sync it up with my wife's and anyone else who I want to see. It's really cool. I would love to know if that person got asked at TSA what that thing is. Wireless television. You can see it just uses suction on the backside. I feel like wireless makes a lot of sense if you're moving something around a lot, but a TV kind of sits in the same place all the time. So I guess you would have to like charge this. Am I missing something? How long does each TV last on like a single charge?
So, on a full charge, peak brightness,
Yep.
60 to 80 hours.
60 to 80 hours on a single charge for your TV setup. If I want to be recharging my TV every week, basically, kind of weird for a wireless TV company to plaster their name on like a wire. Wait, do these chargers have built-in memory inside of them? How does that work? Oh.
You see that it's charging and it goes to its app.
I see. So then it can just store data directly on
Yeah.
the brick itself?
Exactly.
Whoa, they got Horizon people. That's cool. Turns images captured by a mirrorless camera into a high-quality 3D CG asset. Okay, so you do need to take multiple pictures, and apps like this do exist on like an iPhone, but I don't know. Does this not exist in a mirrorless camera setup? If so, I could see those outputs being way higher quality than on your phone. All right, guys, time to see if the Afeela, this Sony car, has any major news announcements for 2025. I feel like the main question is, will it ever actually get released? That, and who was the first person that's gonna win a game of Fortnite on this display at the front of the car? Do you think some dude named Ale, like Albert, sees all these signs and goes, why is my name everywhere? Ale for all? Let's see what Samsung's up to at CES 2025, shall we? Keep your pets safe and healthy. Those are like two things I definitely care about. Ah, there's the little tag. Meaning it's not like your watch that can like sense your heart rate or anything because it's dangling. But I guess you wouldn't track the animal's heart like that anyway, right? So my question is, how does it know all of the activities? Is it based on like a step counter? Find where your pet is. Okay, so it must have some type of like GPS inside of it. That makes sense. How does it know when it's drinking water or when it's eating? All right, so the dog tracker, there's only a speedometer inside of it. So it only knows when it's like moving or not moving. Hypothetically, it could recognize patterns that a dog typically does to drink water and then attribute that as in like, oh, it's drinking water right now. We'll mark that down inside of the app. Same for going to the bathroom, I guess. You can answer your phone on the washing machine. No way, no way. Wait, so there's like a speaker and a microphone inside of here? Two things. You can answer your phone on your fridge. But you can also tell your fridge to open its doors and it will do it for you. It honestly reminds me of like trunks in cars, how they all used to be manual until someone put in a sensor where you could like push your foot and then the whole thing opened up. I'm waiting like every year for e-ink to have its moments. It just seems so great because it uses such little power to show like static stuff. This line is drawing instantaneously as I'm pressing it. I mean, there's not really a delay, which means the screen is refreshing quite quickly. So for taking notes, I could see this being like really great for like consuming content, maybe less good, but maybe that's a good thing. You know, I think about this a lot. Maybe we should be building technology that makes it inconvenient to do the thing that we don't want to do a lot of. I feel this way about projectors because projectors are only as dark as the surface they're on. So in the daylight, it's actually pretty difficult to use a projector to see like true blacks. Maybe that's okay. Maybe we shouldn't be watching TV when it's nice outside. Same with an e-ink display. Maybe we shouldn't be consuming content 24/7 on a device, but still, you know, be able to do things like take notes seamlessly. We have Bugatti, who, you know, they showcase all of their Bugattis and their scooters, and right next to them, literally, if I just turn around, we also have a booth that has scalp massagers. Just the variety of stuff here is so funny to me. I gotta say, these are probably the coolest looking speakers that I've ever seen. And then I realized, well, that might be because they're designed by Lamborghini. So that's sweet. They got little robots that can play chess against you. Oh, you know, it's a good thing they make it cute because when I'm about to rage quit, if it wasn't, it is cool how it's picking up the piece with that little like suction arm. You've fallen into my trap. Boom, baby. Oh no, my piece. Not only can it pick up those little flat tiles, it can also pick up entire chess pieces too. I mean, how cool is that? Oh, okay, conceptually, this is pretty cool. It's a bike flashlight that you can attach to your handlebar so you can see at night, but it also has automatic fall detection, meaning if you're out riding by yourself, you take a nasty fall and can't get to your phone, well, it'll notify someone for you.
Spring.
Is that the voice of an angel? I think it is.
Reaching now.
I'm thinking the double mic, double-fisted mic.
Touching me.
Touching you.